allocated at 4000 and temp is point at 4000. The priority is 2, suppose priority is 2. Okay, 3, suppose 3, priority is 3 and the value is 10. And now this node want to insert within the list, so we don't know how many node is there, so we have to check. So first we set q pointer at first node. Q pointer at first node by q equals to start or q equals to front, just like same code. Okay, আমরা just নামটা চেঞ্জ করেছি, we just change the name, that is front here. Previously we use start in single linked list and this time we use front because of this is q, so we use the name of starting pointer is front. So q equals to front means wherever front is pointing, q also point at that same position. So front is 3000, we give the value of q is also 3000 by q equals to front. So q is now pointing at first node or front node base address. Okay. Now, because of the front node for the checking priority or comparing with priority of first node is available in this if. So after that, when we control come into this location, that means first node priority and the new node priority is already compared and that is not satisfied. Okay, so we have to check from the second node, but we don't know the base address of second node. That is why we set that new pointer q is at first node and we have to compare the priority of second node from the first node, because q is at first node and using q we have to access the second node and access the priority portion or the part of the or the member of second node. Okay, by q arrow next means the next node of q. Okay, right now q is at first node, so we have to access the second node by q arrow next. Q arrow next, that is the second node, and q arrow next arrow p means priority, q arrow next arrow data means its data. Okay, so q arrow next arrow p indicate the next node of q, the priority of next node of q is compared with temporary node. Okay, suppose the temporary node priority is 3 and the next node of q priority is 2. So that means 2 is less than 3. So where is the code? That is q arrow next, that is less than 3. 2 is less than 3, that is satisfied. That is satisfied. And another condition is q arrow next not equals to null. You can see here q arrow next not equals to null. That means this node, oh sorry, q arrow, is it q arrow next? So q arrow next not equals to null. That means wherever q is right now stand or point, that node is not the last node. Thereafter any at least one node is there. So q is not currently pointing at the last node. So these two condition is satisfied. That is why we enter the loop. Okay, যদি কিউ এর থেকে কিউ নোডের নেক্সট নোডে যে নোডটা আছে তার প্রায়োরিটি থেকে টেম্পোরারি নোডের প্রায়োরিটি বড় হয়, এখানে দেখ লেস ইকুয়ালস টু 10 মানে বড় অথবা সমান হয়। সো ইউ ক্যান সি হিয়ার 3 ইজ গ্রেটার দ্যান 2। ইফ 3 জায়গায় যদি 2 থাকতো, স্টিল if all the nodes priority is same, that means first come first serve, who come first that will be remain before the into the before position of the queue. That means who come first he will place first position. So according both the node have the same priority, so it will insert after this node because both priority is same. So if priority is same or higher, it will sit next to that node. Okay. So right now we have to insert. So this is satisfied. That means Q will be shipped into the next node. So Q will be shipped into the next node. Why? Control X, come into this location. Control V. So now the value of Q is 2000 because Q arrow next is assigned into Q. So 2000 is assigned into Q. So Q shipped into the next node data. Sorry, base address. Now again we have to check the condition, that is first condition, q arrow next not equals to null, that is not satisfied because q arrow next is null. So that means while is not working here and new node will be insert at last position. So after while we have to insert by this two line of code the new node. So new node, if we insert at last position, so first of all we have to assign, because this part is still remain empty, so we have to make this node, this new node as a last node. So we have to assign the null value into the next part or any value that is contained by the next part of currently q is pointing any node. Q is pointing any node, that next part should be copied into this node, new node next part. So that is why this part is nothing but a q sorry temp arrow next, and this part is q arrow next. So q arrow next will be copied into temp arrow next. So first code is temp arrow next equals to q arrow next. So whatever the value of q arrow next assign into temp arrow next, so that is why temp arrow next equals to q arrow next. So null is copy here. Now we have to link here by if we insert this 4000, that is the new node base address, into the next part of queue. So it is possible because of this base address of new node hold by temp, so value of temp should be assigned into this position. So that means what is this position? Q arrow next. So q arrow next equals to temp. So you can see here the q arrow next equals to temp. So that is why this link will be created if 4000 is assigned here. So this is the insert operation, and delete operation is very easy. Delete operation is very easy because according to the queue, always delete the node. Delete operation means the first node will be deleted because delete means delete from the front position. আমরা জানি front will be plus plus, এটাই করেছিলাম। তো এখানে কি হবে, front position এ যে নোডটা আছে সেটা delete হয়ে যাবে, and next of the front node will be the front node. After deletion, who will be the front node? Next node of the front node, that will be the. So this is delete from the first node basically and nothing else. Okay. So it's better for that position, that purpose we need to set a pointer before to delete the first node. We have to set a pointer temp into the first node, that is assign the base address of first node that is contained by front into temp. So temp equals to front, and thereafter we have to set the base address of second node that is contained by the next part of first node, that is you can write here front equals to front arrow next or front equals to temp arrow next, because front and temp both is pointing at right now the front node. So its next part can access by both the pointer front and temp. So front equals to front arrow next means the first node next part stored into front, that is 2000 is assigned into front, and this front will be cut and placed into this location, and thereafter free temp. So what is the deletion operation, you can see here. First, if front equals to null, so the priority queue is empty and written. Otherwise, we have to delete from the first. That is, you can see temp equals to front. That is, temp point to the first node. Temp hold the base address of first node, and that means temp point to the first node. Thereafter, front equals to front arrow next. That is first node next part. Whatever the address, that should be assigned into front. Okay, if suppose there have only one node, so front next part have the null value that is also set into front. That means the list is empty. All of you understand? If the front have the only one node, so front node next part contain the null value, and by this way, front equals to front arrow next means null is assigned into front. That means after the deletion of first node, only one node, front will be null. That means the list is empty. So whatever, if there have more than one node, so front next part contain the second node base address that is assigned into front. So front is right now point to the second node, and thereafter we delete free the temp. Clear to all of you? So this is the delete for, because delete is very easy. On every time we have to delete from the front according to the rule of queue. First come first serve, or first out. And display is normal, whatever, just like single queue, single linked list. That is, if front equals to null, the priority queue is empty. Otherwise, the priority queue data, only data should be print here. Or you can see, you can print the priority also, whatever. So we have to set queue at the front node. If queue not equals to null, still queue not equals to null, we have to print both the part. That is, suppose this is the we need to print like that.